Yeah, your friend me Ajwa Adubia. Me free mampon to mampon. And that day I am me and day. I wish all Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. My mom, Vida Okataba. Yeah, I wish her happy Mother's Day. That woman has been a great pillar in my life. So I wish her happy Mother's Day. And all mothers out there, all women, I wish you happy Mother's Day. May the good Lord bless you and grant you long life with prosperity so that you enjoy your labor. Yeah, amen. God bless you all. Oh, me mama. Send any abrepan, what you say, I do a man. Now, what the I wear, with the list of a body, a bobby trousers, yeah. Nti na ɛno ne adeɛ a kyerɛ sɛ metumi de kind of and in all things no nso no yeah she's so supportive. Yeah, God bless her.